Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So in this video we are going to talk about the last year MCC seat matrix details. Okay, the seat matrix for MCC may come today. Okay, so this video is regarding getting an summary or recap for the last year, so that whenever the seat matrix comes you will have a comparison, and I will post a updated video about the comparison. Before we start, if you are still looking for the paid counseling guidance or waiting for the seat matrix to come, okay, so you can still avail the paid counseling guidance. Slots are still available, and we have kept for those candidates because we came to know that many are waiting for the seat matrix because they have chances based on the seat increment. Okay, as per the NMC note, many seats incremented as such, but NMC is not the source of truth for seat increment. MCC is the source of truth for the seat increment. Okay, so in the last year, okay, totally 12,416 MD/MS seats were available, including diploma in government colleges. Okay, and in round one, if you see, total number of DNP seats were 3,240, which some seats were added in the round two, and in NB diploma there were 980 seats up to round one, and in DIP there were 4,873 seats last year. Okay, so I'll post a comparative comparison of the seat increment and last year versus this year once the seat matrix get released. Okay, so we are also waiting for that. And last year, branch wise, how many seats were there in the first round? Anesthesia had 1033, radio diagnosis 360, dermatology 214. These are the seat details branch wise last year for the first round. Okay, and it will also give you an idea how many seats this year we have more compared to last year. The seat increment, it's not like it all the seats will get added in the first round itself. Some seats might get added in the second round, as last year it happened. Okay, but after second round there won't be any seat increment. Okay, so these are the branch wise seat details for the round one last year MCC counseling only. Seat increment details as per the NMC. Okay, up to as on 22nd of July, we had taken a screen means data from NMC website, and total number of seats were 24,833, and now we have around 3,000 more seats. Sorry, 1,000 around 8 to 900 more seats. 25,615 in government, and in private right now 17,728 seats are there. So there's increment of more than 1,000. So totally 18 to 1900 seats have been increased. Okay, and total seats right now 43,355 seats, and as for the last year 41,479. In government colleges, the new government colleges got added, 13 new government colleges, and in terms of private, 9 private colleges got added. So this is the seat increment details as of this year. You can contact us on 93191286 that is our official contact number. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share. The seat matrix is expected to come today. Okay, and if it get delayed, then we will have impact on the counseling as well. The choice filling may also get delayed, or they might extend the choice filling. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.